See, the next lesson we are going to start with is length. See, students, you have all must have seen a scale. Am I right or not? You have all must have seen a scale. Now here, see, this I think you must have seen in the scale. See, this is centimeter. This 1, 2, it's all centimeter. You must have seen in the scale. And this 10 parts, what you call it as millimeter. So, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So, it is having 10 parts. So, that's why 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now, next one, you must have seen the shopkeeper. What does the shopkeeper have in his hand to measure a cloth? He will use a meter stick. He will use a meter stick. See, in that meter stick, you will have meters and centimeter. You will find meters and centimeters. So, for that, 1 meter, if you want to buy 1 meter of cloth, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now, railway, like for example, you can see this electric wires and all. Electric wires. Then you have the cable wires. So these wires, if you want to buy from the shop, now how will you go and ask for it? You buy it in the meter. You buy it in the meters. Now how about roads and all? How will you say from here to here, how many kilometers you have covered? So that you call it as kilometers. You call it as kilometers. Now 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. See, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. So what I have to do, I'll do is I'll make it as a box here so that these are the things which you have to by heart. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now, this kilometer is more than a meter. This kilometer, I told you, this kilometer, when you just ask for it, how much the road from where this place to that place, if you are just calculating that, you will be calculating the kilometers. So, always this kilometer is more than the meter. And even I told you the centimeter and this millimeter, it is also lesser than this thing. And what is the length, standard unit of length? What is the standard unit of length? It is the meter. The standard unit of length is meter. See, now I'll ask you one question. I think you must all have seen a chocolate bar. Anything, you can have Dairy Milk or 5-star, whatever it is. Now, what is the length of this chocolate? What is the length of the chocolate if you calculate in centimeter? Now, for example, I can tell you this will be 5 centimeter. Now, when I ask in millimeter, now how will you do it in millimeter? You have to do 5 into 10. You have to do 5 into 10. Now, what is 5 into 10? It is 50 millimeter. So, this is the thing you have to ask. It is length of the chocolate bar. The length of the chocolate bar. Now, next one. So, this you have to by heart. This 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter is equal to 1000 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. You have to by heart, because with these formulas or with this you have to do most of your sums in your book. Now next one, there's one question they have asked. You have to convert the centimeter into millimeter. You have to convert the centimeter into millimeter. This is a sum given in your book. See, first one is 4 centimeter. Now, how will you do 4 centimeter? How will you do? I told you 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now, how will you write 4 into 10 is equal to 40 millimeter. This is how you have to do it. Am I right? Got it? Now, second question. It is 7 centimeter. Now can anyone tell me how will you do it? Same way. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. I have written here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. How will you convert into millimeter? Again 7 into 10 equal to 70 millimeter. Now third sum, I think you are going to tell me 10 centimeter. How will you do 10 centimeter? Can anyone tell me? Same way, it is 10 into 10 equal to what? 100 millimeter. So this is how you have to convert the centimeter into millimeter. There is one more sum. Just tell me how will you do this 12 centimeter? How will you do 12 centimeter? Same way, you will do 12 into 10 equal to 120 millimeter. So this is how you will do your sums. Convert the centimeter into millimeter. Now, try this. It's given in your book. Try this. This I think you can do it, but I'll just explain how will you do this one sum. 6 centimeter. Now can anyone tell me how will you do 6 centimeter? Same way. How will you do? 6 into 10 millimeter. 10 equal to 60 millimeter. Same way you have to do all the sums. That is, you have to convert the centimeter into millimeter. Now second one, what they have given? 9 centimeter. Yes, can anyone tell me how will you do 9 centimeter? Same way, what you have to do? 9 into 10 equal to 90 millimeter. Very good. Now next one, how will you do 5 centimeter? How will you do 5 centimeter? Same way, how will you do? 5 into 10 equal to 50 millimeter. Then one more thing, 35 centimeter. Can anyone tell me how will you do 35 centimeter? 35 centimeter? Yes, very good. 35 into 10 equal to 350 millimeter. So this is how you have to do your converting the centimeter into millimeter. I think you have understood this. That is 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So when you want to convert centimeter into millimeter, now what you have to do? Whatever the centimeter they have given value, with that you have to multiply 10. So you get the answer. That is what? The millimeter. So this is how you have to convert centimeter into millimeter. See the next one, you have to convert meter into millimeter. Meter into millimeter. Now what is the formula will you use? It is 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. How will you convert 1 meter is 1 meter to convert meter into millimeter? You have to do 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So there is a sum given in your book. See, complete or convert the meter into millimeter. See, first one 6 meter. Now how will you convert the 6 meter into millimeter? Now I told you 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So now what will you do? 6 into 1000. So what is 6 into 1000? It is 6000 millimeter. Am I right? You got it. Now second sum, what is the second one? 8 meter. Now how will you do 8 meter? Same way. How will you do? 8 meter into 1000. What is 8 into 1000? It is 8000. 8000 millimeter. Now third one, it is given 10 meter. Now how will you convert this 10 meter into millimeter? Again same way, 10 into 1000. Now will you do 10 into 1000? It is 10,000. 10,000 millimeter. Now what is the fourth sum they have given? What is the fourth sum? It is 13 meter. Now will you do 13 meter? Same way, 13 into 1000. What is 13 into 1000? It is 13,000. What? 13,000 millimeter. Very good. What is the last sum they have given? It is 19 meter. What is 19 meter? How will you do 19 meter? Yes, 19 into 1000. It is 19,000 millimeter. So this is how you have to convert the meter into millimeter. That is, when you convert meter into millimeter, you have to multiply that with 1000. So you get the answer, that is millimeter. See, they have given one sum in your book. Try this. You have to try these sums. You have to do it by yourself. Now one example or one, I'll just try out. Same way, how will you convert meter into millimeter? They have given convert 5 centimeter. They have given 5 centimeter. Now how will you convert this 5 centimeter into millimeter? So they have asked 5 centimeter. How will you convert this centimeter into millimeter? Can anyone tell me? I have already written the formula here. How will you convert centimeter into millimeter? 1 centimeter is equal to 10. What did I say? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So now how will you do it? 5 into 10 is equal to 50 millimeter. Now you have to be very careful. You have to check what you have to do. So they have asked to convert centimeter into millimeter. Now what is the second sum they have given? What is the second sum? It is again 8 centimeter. Now can anyone tell me how will you do this 8 centimeter? Yes, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now what will you do? 8 into 10 is equal to 80 millimeter. Now what is the third sum they have given? 9 centimeter. I think third one they have given 9 centimeter. Now how will you do this 9 centimeter? You have to do 9 into 10 is equal to 90 millimeter. Now what is the fourth one they have given? Can anyone tell me? It is given 14 meter. Don't get confused. The first three sums I did with centimeter, converting the centimeter into millimeter. Now what is the fourth one they have given? 14 meters. So this meter you have to convert into millimeter. Now what is the formula I have given? 1 meter equal to, what is 1 meter equal to what? Equal to 1000 millimeter. Now how will you do this 14 meter? 14 into how? 14 into, yeah, very good, 1000. So you get 14,000 millimeter. You have to be very careful. You have to see how you have to convert centimeter to millimeter or meter to millimeter. You have to be very careful. Now next sum, what is the fifth sum they have given? It is 18 meter. Now how will you do this 18 meter? Again 18 into how? Very good, it is 1000. So you get 18,000 millimeter. Now what is the last sum they have given? It is 32 meter. It is 32 meter. Now how will you convert this meter? 32 into 1000 equal to 32,000 millimeter. So this is how you have to do it. See, you have to be very careful what they have asked in the sum. Converting centimeter into millimeter or meter into millimeter. You have to be very careful. See, when you want to convert centimeter to millimeter, you have to take this. It is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. When you want to convert meter into millimeter, you have to take this. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. I think you are thorough with this. Are you clear? Right. Very good. Now next one is how you are converting millimeter into centimeter. Now what you have done all this time, you converted centimeter into millimeter. Now what are you going to do now? You are going to convert millimeter. You are going to convert millimeter into centimeter. Now millimeter into centimeter. This is how you are going. This is the sum you are going to do now. See, previously you did centimeter. You converted centimeter to millimeter. Now what you are going to convert? You are going to convert millimeter to centimeter. Now what will you do? 10 meter. So you have to divide by 10. You have to divide by 10. So this is how you will do, converting the millimeter to centimeter. So there's one sum they have given, observe. See, 20 millimeter. Now how will you convert this into centimeter? See, when you want to convert millimeter into centimeter, what did I tell you? You have to divide by 10. So now what you have to do? 20 divided by 10. Very good. What is 20 divided by 10? It is 2 centimeter. You got it? See, previously I told When you are converting centimeter into millimeter, you are multiplying. But now you are dividing the millimeter, converting the millimeter into centimeter. Now what is the next sum they have given? Next sum. It is 110 millimeter. Am I right or not? It is 110 millimeter. Now how will you do this 110 millimeter? Same way. 110 into or divided? It is divided. Divided by 10. Now what is the answer? It is 11 centimeter. Now third sum. What is the third sum they have given? 170 millimeter. Now how will you do this 170 millimeter? Same way. 170 divided or multiplied? Divided. Divided by 10 is equal to 17 centimeter. Now what is the fourth one they have given? 500 millimeter. How will you do this? 500 millimeter. Anyone? Yes, 500 divided by 10. Now what will you get? It is 50 centimeter. So when you want to convert millimeter into centimeter, now what you have to do? You have to divide by 10. When you want to convert centimeter into 10, you are multiplying. So now I'll write here millimeter is equal to centimeter. How will you convert? You have to divide by 10. Converting millimeter to centimeter. So this is how you have to convert millimeter into centimeter. See the next one, convert kilometers into meters. The next one is kilometer into meter. I have already told you which and all you can take it value kilometers. I told you roads. See, when you tell from this place to this place can be calculated as kilometers. Now meter, it can be this electric wires, cable wires can be calculated or valued in meters. So now what you have to do is, how will you convert this kilometer to meter? Now what is the thing I have given? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. I think I told you this, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now what you have to do is, first sum, it is 4 kilometer. They have given 4 kilometer. They have asked you to convert into meter. Now how will you do? Can anyone tell? Yes, very good. 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000 is how much? 4000 meter. To convert, see this one you are converting kilometer into meter. This one is converting the kilometer into meter. How will you do? That is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. So you do 4 with 1000, you get 4000 meter. Now next sum what they have given? It is 7 kilometer. Now how will you do 7 kilometer? Same way. 7 into 1000. 7 into 1000 is how much? 7000 meter. Very good. What is the third sum they have given? 12 kilometer. How will you do 12 kilometer? Same way. 12 into 1000. What is 12 into 1000? It is 12,000 meter. Now what is the next one? Fourth one. What is the fourth one? 14 kilometer. See, actually now in your book what they have given is, they have given in one place blank. I think second 7 kilometer. Here they have given a blank, so you have to write 1000. And here it is 7000. But for your explanatory part, I am just explaining how you have to do 14 kilometers. How will you do? You have to do 14 into 1000. 14 into 1000 is how much? 14,000 meter. Now in this fourth one, which is a blank here, 1000. And in the third one, it is 1000. Again, here also again, 1000 is a blank here. Now fifth one, what is the fifth one they have given? Just look into the sum. It is 8 kilometer, okay, 8 kilometer, 400 meter. It is 8 kilometer and 400 meter. Now how will you do this sum? See, how you have to do is, how will you convert this kilometer? Now 8 into 1000, 8 into 1000 plus 400 meter, because meter is already there. You are converting kilometer into meter. So what you have to do? What you have to do? It is what? 8,000. 8 into 1000 is how much? 8,000 plus 400. So it is 8,400 meter. See, already they have given meter here, so don't do anything with this 400. This kilometer alone you are converting into meter. So in that case, what you have to do? 8 into 1000. Now what is the sixth sum they have given? Sixth sum is 15 kilometer and 500 meter. It is 15 kilometer and 500. Now how will you do this 15 kilometer? Again same way. 15 into 1000 plus 500. Now what is the answer you get? 15,500. 15,500 meter. Am I right? You got it? Okay, very good. Now next one, seventh sum. What is the seventh sum they have given? Very good. 18 kilometer. 18 kilometer and 50 meter. Now how will you do this 18 kilometer and 50? Same way. This kilometer alone you have to convert. Meter just leave it off because they have already converted. So now what you have to do again? 18 into 1000 plus what is this? 50. Now what is the answer? 18,050. 18,050. 18,050. 18,050 meter. Right. Now next one is 8th sum. What is the 8th sum they have given? 20 kilometer and 5 meter. What is the sum they have given? 20 kilometer and 5 meter. Okay. How will you do this? Again same way. 20 into 1000 plus 5. Now what is the answer? 20,000 5 meter. 20,000 5 meter. So same way what they have given in your book is convert the following measurements into meters. So now what they have given in your try this is you have to convert into meters. You have to convert these measurements. So some of them are given in what do you call, some of them they have given in kilometers, some are given in try this, some are given in meters. Now what you have to do is the first one 5 kilometer. What is the 5 kilometer? Can anyone tell me 5 kilometer? Already I have done this. You have to try this. Now how will you do 5 kilometer? Very good. 5 into 1000 is how much? 5,000. 5,000 meter. Now what is the second sum they have given? What is the second sum? It is 10 kilometer. Now what is 10 kilometer? How will you do 10 kilometer? Now you will write 10 into 1000. What is 10 into 1000? It is 10,000 meter. See, I'll repeat once again. When you want to convert kilometer into meter, you have to multiply with this into 1000. So you will multiply 10 into 1000 is 10,000. Already I have done it. These are the sums what you have to try. Okay. Now what is the next sum? 15 kilometer. Can anyone try this? How will you get 15 kilometer? How will you convert this into meter? Very good. It is 15,000 meter. How 15,000? You have 15 into 1000. So 15,000 meter. Now what is the fourth one they have given? 45 kilometer. Same way. 45 kilometers is how much? 45,000. You have to multiply with 1000. Now what is the fifth sum they have given? 6 kilometer and 500 meter. This also I have already taught you. Just kilometer alone you are going to convert into meter. So how will you do 6 into 1000? So you will get 6,000 plus what is this? 500. Are you clear or not? I think you must have forgotten now. See, how are you going to convert the 6 kilo? This is already meter. So you are not going to do anything with it. This alone, this kilometer alone you are going to convert into meter. So how will you convert kilometer into meter? It is 6 into 1000. So you will have 6,000 plus this 500. So it is 6,500 meter. Are you clear now? Very good. Now next sum. It is 9 kilometer. It is 9 kilometer and 600 meter. Now can anyone tell 9 kilometer and 600? Same way. It is 9,000. 9,000 plus 600. What is the answer? See, don't ask me how. It is 9 into 1000. It is 9,000 plus 600. So 9,600 meter. Now what is the seventh sum they have given? It is 10 kilometer and 50 meter. Very good. How will you do it? How will you do 10 kilometer, 50 meter? Same way, how? Converting kilometer. 10 plus 1000, it is 10,000. What is 10,000 plus 50? You will have 10,050 meter. See, just the kilometer alone you are going to convert. You don't convert this meter and all. This you have to add with this. That's all. Is it clear now? Don't change anything here. Just converting this kilometer alone, you are converting this kilometer into meter. And what is the eighth sum? It's given 13 kilometer and 5 meter. What is 13 kilometer, 5 meter? How will you convert this? Same way, 13,000 plus 5. Now what is the answer? 13,005 meter. You got it, 13,005 meter. Now the last sum they have given 21 kilometer. 21 kilometer and how many centimeter? How many meter ma? 500 meter. Now how will you do this? How will you do? 21,000 plus 500. So you will have 21,500 meter. So this is how you have to convert the kilometer into meter. Is it clear now? How will you convert the kilometer into meter? You have to multiply with 1000. Just converting kilometer into meter is you multiply with 1000. So this is how you are converting the kilometer into meter. See, now you were converting centimeter to millimeter, meter into centimeter, all this you are doing. Now addition, you are going to do addition now. You are going to do addition. See, now 8 meter, 50 centimeter. So this you have to write like this, here meter and centimeter. 8 meter and 50 centimeter, 6 meter and 70 centimeter. Now, so what is the thing you have to do is 8 meter, 50 centimeter and 6 meter, 70 centimeter. Now how will you do it? This is normal addition. So now what you do? 0 plus 0 is what? 0. 5 plus 7 is what? 12. Now what you have to do? You have to put 1 here. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is how much? So 15. So what is the answer? What will you write? It is 50 meter and 20 centimeter. See, this is normal addition you do it. See, but actually you are mathematically, now how you have to do is 50 plus 70 is what? 120 centimeter. You got 50 plus 70, you got 120 centimeter. Now how will you convert this 120 centimeter into meter? You will write 120 divided by 10. I think I told you. See, you are just dividing by 10. Now how will you divide it? You will divide by 10, you will have how much? It is 20. You will divide 20. It is 20 meter. Right. Now 20 meter you will write. That is 1 meter. I am sorry, it is 1 meter and 20 centimeter. This is how you will write 1 meter and 20 centimeter. I am sorry. It is 1 meter and 20 centimeter. So when you just do it 1 meter and 20 centimeter, this 1 again I told you, this 20 you have to write it here, and this meter 1 meter will be added here. So you have to add this and do. But I think this method will be easier for you to do it. So don't get confused with this method at all. This is converting all that. In between addition, don't do all this, because actually mathematically this way you have to do. But for you to just do it little bit fast and to understand, I think this way will be easier. This is how you have to do your addition. Now they have given try this. Try this. Now first sum they have asked you to add. Now always when you do it in your classwork, you always have to, what do you have to do? Meter, centimeter, all that you have to do it like this. Meter, centimeter. You have to see whether it is meter, centimeter or kilometer, meter. Like this you have to differentiate and do it. Is it clear now? So meter and centimeter, I think first sum they have given meter and centimeter. How many meters you have given? 20 meter. Now how many centimeters you have given? 35 centimeter. Now what is how, with what you have to add? You have to add with 30 meter and 32 centimeter. Am I right or not? First sum. Right. Very good. Now how will you do? 5 plus 2 is what? 7. And 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Here 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 5 is 5. So now what will you write? 50 meter and 67 centimeter. 50 meter and 67 centimeter. So this is how you have to do. Now next sum. What is the next sum they have given? What is the next sum? Meter again, meter and centimeter. Always what you have to do is you have to look into the sum what they have given, whether it is given in meter, centimeter or kilometer, meter. You just write it on the top. Now what is the second sum they have given? 16 meter, 35 centimeter. Now what is it with what you have to add? 25 and 35. That is 25 meter and 35 centimeter. Now can anyone tell me how will you add it? 5 plus 5 is 0, 1 here, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Now here 6 plus 5 is 1, 11, 6 plus 5 is 11. Just put 1 here, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So what will you write? 41 meter and 70 centimeter. So this is how you have to do it. Are you clear now? Now next sum. What is the next sum they have given? What is the next sum? They have given kilometer and meter. Now we did meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter. Now you have to do kilometer and meter. Am I right or not? Kilometer and meter. So what is it? 4 kilometer, 600 meter. Now what is it? 5 meter and 500 meter. Now what you have to do? You have to add because all these sums only additionally. So now what will you do? 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 5, 11. Now you have to put 1 here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Now what will you write here? Can anyone tell me? Yes, very good. It is 10 kilometer and 100 meter. See, always when they ask to do addition, always whatever, whether it is kilometer or meter, meter or centimeter, write on the top and then do the addition sums. Then I think that will be easier for you to write. Okay, now fourth one. What is the fourth sum they have given? What is the fourth sum? Same way, it is kilometer and meter. Immediately write on the top. Okay, 7 kilometer and 800 meter. With what you have to add? 3 kilometer and 400 meter. Now can you tell me how will you add? 0, 0. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. Very good. 7 plus 1 is what? 8. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. Now what will you write here? It is 11 kilometer and 12 meter. So this is how you will do. Don't get confused with what I taught you, like how you will convert. See, just straight away you start writing, adding it, and what you do, but only thing is what you have to do is when you write the answer or when you start the sum, you always write meter, centimeter and then start doing your sums. And final answer also you have to write how much meter, how much centimeter. This you have to be very clear when you do your addition sums. See, the next one, what is it given in your book is your statement sums. Am I right or not? Now normal addition you did. Am I right? Addition you did. Now next one, you're going with your statement sums. Now what do you mean by statement sums? Anyone can tell me? You call it as word problems. They will be given some problems, statement problems, where you have to read the question carefully and do it. See, in the statement problems, Gopal's father, he bought 2 meter, I'll write here statement sums. I'll write statement sums. You have to be very careful. Previously I did normal addition. Now we are going to do with statement problem. So what did Gopal's father buy? 2 meter and 50 centimeter of cloth. What did he buy? Cloth he brought 2 meter and 50 centimeter for a shirt. Now for himself he bought. Now 1 meter and 50 centimeter he brought for Gopal. So what is a statement sum it is given? That is Gopal father, he went to a shop and for himself he bought for a shirt 2 meter and 50 centimeter. Now for Gopal he brought 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Now what is the question they have given? What is the total length? So what is the question here? Total length. Total length of cloth he bought. Because totally they have to pay the money. Am I right or not? Because together. This one he bought for himself and this one he bought for Gopal. Now what you have to do? They have asked the question is total length. Now what will you do total length? Very good. You have to add it. Now how will you add it? Immediately put like this. Now here what you have to do? Meter, here centimeter. Very good. Now what will you write here? 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 0. Here you have to put 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So what you have to write answer? The total length, how much you bought? Total, now like this you have to write. Total length is, now what will you write? Total length is 4 meter. So this is how you have to do your statement sums. Am I right? Are you clear now with the sum? This is, you have to add always when you write, when you want to add, the heading should be on the top, write it, and the answer also should be very clear. Now next sum they have given is the distance between Chennai and Tiruchi. So what is the next sum is? Chennai and Tiruchi. Statement, Chennai and Tiruchi is 320 kilometer. So what they have given is the distance. So the distance from Chennai and Tiruchi, it is 320 kilometer. Now what is the sum they have given? The distance between Chennai and Tiruchi is 320 kilometer and Tiruchi and Madurai. I am sorry, I am writing like this T and M. Tiruchi and Madurai, it is 120 kilometer. Now what is the sum they have given in your book is the distance between Chennai and Tiruchi is 320 kilometer. Tiruchi and Madurai, it is 120 kilometer. Now what is the question they have asked is, what is the distance between Chennai and Madurai? What is the distance between Chennai and Madurai? Now what you have to do? Now how will you do this? Distance. See, these are all what you call it as statement sums. Just like that you can't write like this. You have to write with statements. So distance between Chennai and Tiruchi. I am sorry, I am making it a C and T, but you are not supposed to write C and T, you are supposed to write Chennai and Tiruchi. Now what is the distance between Chennai and Tiruchi? It is 320. Now where on the top what you have to write? Very good, kilometer. Now what is the next thing you have given? Distance between, what is the next one they have given? Distance between T and M, that is Tiruchi and Madurai. How much it is? 120 kilometer. Now, what you have to do it? They have asked for you to find out the total. So, when they asked you to find a total, means, now what you have to do? You have to add it. What you have to do? You have to add. Now, what is 0 plus 0? 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, what will be, what you have to write now? Answer. The distance, or now what will you write? Total. What is the question they have asked, my dear? What is the total distance between Chennai and Madurai? So you have to write like this. Total distance between Chennai and Madurai. Chennai and Madurai is what? Is 440 kilometer. See, this is how you have to do your statement problems. See, whenever your statement problem, first thing what you have to do is you have to read the sum very carefully. You have to read. After reading it, whether you have to see what question they have asked. You have to read the question. See, these things they have given. Now, what is the thing they have asked in the question? You have to find the total distance between Chennai and Madurai. So, in statement problems, you have to clear. See, for one way I can tell you. You can write distance between Chennai and Tiruchi, or you can say length of Chennai and Tiruchi is equal to 320. Length of Tiruchi and Madurai is 120. Whatever it is given in your book, you can just copy the same thing. Distance between Chennai and Tiruchi is 320. In the book it is again given Tiruchi and Madurai, distance between Tiruchi and Madurai is 120. So you have to add, and finally the question, what is the total distance? So the question you have to write here, the total distance between Chennai and Madurai is 440 kilometer. So this is how you have to do the statement sums in your addition. The next one, can we go on with subtraction? Very good. I think addition you are clear now. So you have to add, and always when you add, before you start with your addition, now what you have to do, first thing, basic thing, you have to write the heading, what they have given, whether meter, centimeter, kilometer, meter, all that you have to be very clear now. Now can we go on with subtraction? Very good, subtraction. Just one thing I'll tell you how you have to do subtraction. See, 35 meter 40 centimeter from what is it? 40 meter, this is a sum, they are given in your book. 40 meter and 35 centimeter. Now, they have given us subtract 35 meter 40 centimeter, subtract from 40 meter 35 centimeter. Now, what will you do here? You have to write this one, because from this. So, what will you write? Immediately, what you have to do? Meter, centimeter. Very good. Now, here what will you write? 40. 40 is the thing, you know, you have this from, you have to, this with this you have to minus it. So 40 meter, and what is the centimeter here? 35. And what is the meter here? 35. And what is the centimeter here? 40. Now what you have to do here? Subtract. Immediately put the symbol here. What is 5 minus 0? It is 5. And what is 3 minus 4? Because you cannot minus. So immediately what you will do? You will borrow. You will borrow, and this will become 9. What is 13 minus 4? 12, 11, 10, 9. You will have 9. Now what is 9? Because 1 you have borrowed, this 10 will become 9 here. What is 9 minus 5? Very good. 4. What is 4 minus 3? It is 1. Now what will be the answer you have to write? You have to write 4. I'm sorry, they have borrowed here. I'm sorry. See, what you have to do is, see, they have already borrowed from here. This is Z10. So they have borrowed. So this will become 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0 only. I'm sorry. Now what you have to do? You have to write 4 meter and 95 centimeter. See, I'm sorry, when you borrow, when you do borrowing sum, you have to be very careful. So when you borrow, when you are borrowing it from here, this 4 will come to 3, and so 3 minus 3 is 0. So you will write 4 meter and 95 centimeter. This how you have to do the sum subtraction. See, next one we will go on with subtraction. So we have finished addition. Now we are going to go with subtraction. See, subtract 35 meter and 40 centimeter from what? 40 meter and 35 centimeter. 35 centimeter. Now what you have to do is, immediately, I told you in addition sum itself, you have to write like this, meter and centimeter. Now what you have to do, because with this 40 meter you have to subtract this. So you will write 40 here and 35 centimeter here. So 45 meter and 35 centimeter. With what you have to subtract? 35 meter and 40 centimeter. Immediately put minus here. So what is 5 minus 0? 5. Now 3 minus 4 you can't do. So immediately you have to borrow. So this will become 9. This will become 3. Because you are borrowing from here again. So this will be 13. What is 13 minus 4? It is 9. And 9 minus 4 is what? 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. So don't put anything. What you have to write here? 4 meter and 95 centimeter. So this is how you have to do your subtraction. So in your book they have given, try this. See, actually same way what I told you, in addition, converting centimeter into meter. Don't do that, because little confusing it will be. This way you can go ahead. Try this. Subtract the following. First sum is 15 meter 25 centimeter minus, now immediately, I'm sorry, what you have to do first sum, immediately you have to put meter and centimeter, because the sum is meter and centimeter. So immediately 15 meter and 25 centimeter. With what you have to minus? You have to minus with 10 with 85 centimeter. So now what we'll do here? 5 minus 5 is 0. This will become 12 and this will become 4. You're borrowing it. So what is 12 minus 8? It is 4. And 4 minus 0 is 4. So you write 4 meter and 40 centimeter. Is it clear now? Now next, the second sum. What is the second sum? 28 meter and 30 centimeter. So what you have tried in the heading here? Immediately meter, centimeter. You have to be very clear with this. Now 28 meter and 30 centimeter. With what you have to minus? 25. Am I right? 25 meter and 55 centimeter. Now you have to put here minus. So what is it here? 0. So immediately you are borrowing. This will become 12 and this will become 7. So here this will become 10. What is 10 minus 5? It is 5. What is 12 minus 5? 12 minus 5 is what? 7. And what is 7 minus 5? It is 2. So it is 2 meter and 75 centimeter. Is it clear now? 2 meter and 75 centimeter. Now third sum. What is the third sum they are given in here? Try these. Again kilometer and centimeter they have given. Kilometer and centimeter. Now what you have to do is, you have to write kilometer and meter. Now this sum, what you have to do is kilometer and meter. See, 75 kilometer and 300 meter. 75 kilometer and 300 meter. And down, with what you have to minus it, it is 38 kilometer and 750 meter. Now what will you do here? What will you do here? 0 minus 0 is 0. The 0 you cannot, again you have to borrow. This will become 12 and this will become 10 and this will become 14 and this will become immediately 6. Come down. So what is 10 minus 5? It is 5. And what is 12 minus 7? It is 5. What is 14 minus 8? It is 6. 6 minus 3 is 36. So what will you write? 36 kilometer and 550 meter. Now what is the next sum they have given? Second sum. Subtract 860 kilometer, 860 kilometer, 750 meter from what? 900 kilometer, 900 kilometer and 300 meter. Now how will you do this? Immediately, now what will you write? Kilometer and meter. Now what? You have to subtract this with this. So you write immediately 900 and 300 here. 900 kilometer, 300 meter. And here it is 860 kilometer and it is 750 meter. Now what will you do? Minus. So the 0 minus 0 is 0. This will become 10 and this will become 12. This will become 9 and this will become 9. This will become 8. Now what is the answer? 10 minus 5 is what? 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now what is 9 minus 0? 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. So you will write 39 kilometer and 550 meter. 39 kilometer and 550 meter. So this is how you have to do your subtraction, which is given in your book. See the next one, I think you can go on with your statement sums. Am I right or not? Did you understand normal subtraction? That is, you have to write the heading always on the top. Whether it is meter, centimeter, kilometer or meter. Now next one, we go on with your statement sums. So I think addition, I told you what is statement sums. You have to read the full sum. What is it given? Then only you can go ahead with your sums. Are you clear now? What is the statement sums first we have given? See, in a school, the distance between the gate and the principal's office. So you must be knowing it from the gate, from the school gate to the principal office. It is 400 meter and 75 centimeter. So what is it given? 400. So first thing, what is it given? Distance between, immediately you have to write, because I told you statement sums means you have to write like this. Distance between gate and principal's room. Now what is it? Here what will you write? Because it is given in meter and centimeter. It is given in meter and centimeter. Now what will you write here? It is first between the distance between the gate and the principal's room, it is 400 meter and 75 centimeter. Now what is the next thing they have given in that sum itself? A boy has walked 200 meter and 50 centimeter. Now what will you write? Distance. He has walked. The distance means what? The length what he has walked. So it is distance walked by the boy from the school to the gate. So walked by the boy. So what is the distance walked by the boy? It is 200 meter and how many centimeters? It is 50 centimeters. So now what you have to do it here? Immediately read the next question what they have given. What distance does he have to walk further? That means what? How much he has to walk further? There you have to minus it. Put immediately minus. Because how much distance he has to walk further? Because he has just covered only 200. Remaining is here. So that means what you will do? You will subtract. So you have to put subtract. What is 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. What is 4 minus 2 is 2. So now what will you write answer? The distance to be covered. It has to be covered, no? This much distance has to be covered. Distance to be covered is 200 meter. You have to be very careful. It is meter and 25 centimeter. This is how you have to do your statement, sons. Okay, is it clear now? So distance between the gate and the principal's room, meter, centimeter, all this you have to do. You have to subtract. And lastly, the question, what question they have given, you have to write in the statement, the word, you have to write in statement and then write the answer what you have got it here. Now next sum, one more sum they have given as a practice. See, mother bought a roll of ribbon. You know what is a ribbon? You to tie your hair. To tie your hair, what she did is she bought 10 meter. So what is the next sum they have given is mother what she did? She bought a ribbon measuring 10 meter. If she cuts a piece of ribbon measuring 2 meter and 50 centimeter. So now what I have to do is now meter and centimeter you have to write now immediately because at first in that sum it is given meter and centimeter. Now what is the first thing she is given? The mother bought a roll of ribbon. So now you have to write total. Now what you have to write? Total length of the ribbon. Length of the ribbon. Now what is the total length of the ribbon? It is 10 meter, no centimeter. So immediately you can put 0, 0 centimeter. Is it clear now? Now what she has given next line. If she cuts a piece of ribbon measuring 2 meter. So you can write cut, the ribbon cut or the length of ribbon cut. You can write length of ribbon cut. What is length of ribbon cut? It is 2 meter and 50 centimeter. So now what is the question they have asked? You have to read the question. What is the remaining length of the ribbon? So what is the remaining length of the ribbon? See, total length is 10. This length she has cut it. The ribbon she has cut 2. Now what is the remaining? So you have to immediately what you have to do? Put minus. What is 0 minus 0? 0. This will become 10 and this will become 9. So 10 minus 5 is what? 5. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. So what is the answer? It is 7 meter and 50 centimeter. Now what is the final answer you will write? The remaining length of ribbon. Remaining length of ribbon is what? Remaining length of ribbon is 7 meter and 50 centimeter. This is how you have to do it. Your statement sums. First thing what you have to do is read the sum and then start doing it. This is how you have to do it. See the next one, we will go on to multiplication. We will go on with multiplication. See, multiply 30 meter and 40 centimeter by 6. This is a sum given in your book. Now immediately all the sums I told you again and again I am repeating. You have to write meter, centimeter. Now here you'll write 30 meter and 40 centimeter. It is 30 meter and 40 centimeter. You have to multiply with 6. Now what you have to do? 0 into 6 is what? 0. 4 6 are 24. Now you'll put here 2. 0 6 are 0. Plus 2 is 2. 3 6 are 18. So now what is the answer? You will write 182 meter and 40 centimeter. When you write the answer, also again you have to write like this. Before you start the sum also you have to write the heading like this, meter and centimeter. See, they have given to try these, that is multiply. You have to try these sums. You have to multiply. Now first sum what they have given is 3 meter and 12 centimeter into 9. What they have given? Meter and centimeter. Now 3 meter and 12 centimeter into 9. Now what is 2 9s are 18. 1 9 you have to put 1 here. 1 9s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. You are immediately 1 here. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1 it is 28. So you have to put 28 meter 08 centimeter. 28 meter and 8 centimeter. Now next one is, the next sum is, your second sum is 5 meter and 20 centimeter. Immediately meter and centimeter. What is the sum they have given? 5 meter. And what is the centimeter? 20. Now you have to multiply with what? Multiply with 6. So immediately 0 6 are 0. 2 6 are 12. 1 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 31. So 31 meter and 20 centimeter. Is it clear? Now next the third sum. What is the third sum they have given? 20 kilometer and 300 meter into 8. Now immediately you have to write kilometer and meter. Now what is it? 20 kilometer and 300 meter. Multiply with what? Multiply with 8. Now what you have to do? 0 8s are 0. 0 8s are 0. 3 8s are 24. Now you have to put 2 here. 0 8s are 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. And 2 8s are 16. So you have to write 162 kilometer and 400 meter. Now what is the fourth sum they have given in your book? It is 31 kilometer and 210 meter. Again same. Kilometer, meter. Now what is it? 31 kilometer and 210 meter. Multiply with what? Multiply with 7. So when you multiply with 7, 0 7s are 0, 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. Now you have to write 1 here. What is 1 7s are? 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 7s are 21. So you have to write 21 kilometer and 470 meter. Is it clear now? What is the fifth sum they have given in your book? What is the fifth sum? Kilometer and meter again. So immediately kilometer and meter. What is kilometer here given? 48 kilometer. And how many meter? 600. Am I right? 600. With multiply with what? 4. Is it clear? Multiply with 4. Now 0 4s are 0. 0 4s are 0. 6 4s are 24. Now you have to put 2 here. 8 into 4s are, 8 4s are, what is it? 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2 is what? 34. Now you have to put 3 here. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is what? 9. That is 19. So you have to write 94 kilometer and 400 meter. Now, last sum they have given again. What is the last sum they have given? It is 20 kilometer and 700 meter. Now you have to write again kilometer and meter. Now what you have to write here? 20 kilometer and 700 meter. Am I right? You have to multiply with what? Multiply with 8. Now 0 8s are 0. 0 8s are 0. 7 8s are, what is 7 8s are? 56. Now 0 8s are 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. And 2 8s are 16. So you will write 165 kilometer and 600 meter. So this is how you have to do your multiplication. Same or you have to write the heading on the top and multiply, and the answer also you have to write whatever meter and whatever centimeter or kilometer or meter, you have to do it. So this is how you have to do your multiplication. See, the next sum is the statement sums and multiplication. The statement sums in the multiplication. See, what is the sum they have given? Mother bought a nylon rope measuring 10 meter 20 centimeter length. So what did the mother buy? Nylon rope measuring 10 meter and 20 centimeter length. For what reason? To dry the clothes. Now what is the question they have asked? What will be the length of 6 such ropes? So what is the question? What will be the length of 6 such ropes? Now in statement problems you have to be very careful. You have to write this with the statements. So what is the first line they have given? Bought a nylon rope. So you immediately have to write length of a rope. Length of a rope. Now here it is on the top, what will you write? Meter and centimeter. Now how many meter it is? 10 meter and 20 centimeter. Now what is it? The question is, what will be the length of 6 such ropes? Now what here you have to do is, you have to multiply. So now here what is the statement here? Length of 6 ropes. You have to write length of 6 ropes. So immediately you have to multiply with 6. You have to multiply with 6. Now what is 0, 6 are 0, 2, 6 are 12. Here you have to put 1, 0, 6 are 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1, 6 are 6. So 61 meter and 21 centimeter. So what is the answer you will write? What is the question you have asked? What will be the length of 6 rows? So you will write, therefore the length of 6 ropes are 61 meter and 20 centimeter. So this is how you have to do it. Is it clear now? Final answer, whatever the question given in your book. What is the question given? The length of 6 rope you have to find. So you will write the length of 6 ropes are 61 meter and 20 centimeter. So the next one we will go on with division. Next one we will go on with division. I think addition you are clear. Subtraction you are clear, multiplication. Now we will go on with division. Now we will go on with division. See, in division sum in your book, divide 10 meter 50 centimeter by 3. So what they have given? Divide 10 meter 50 centimeter by 3. Now what will you do? Immediately you have to put like this, division. So you will write 10 here and 50 here. Is it clear? Now on the top you can write meter and centimeter. Now dividing by 3. So what does 3 3s are? You will write 3 3s are 9. So immediately 9 here and 10 minus, you have to minus it. I think you know how to do your division, basic division. What is 10 minus 9? It is 1. Now what is here? You have to carry forward 5 0. So what is 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So immediately you will write 5 here. You will write 1 5 because 1 0. So you will write 3 5 0. So 50. So you will write here 0. So what is the answer you will write? What is the answer? It is 3 meter and 50 centimeter. You will write 3 meter and 50 centimeter. So this is how you have to do your division. So now what you have to do is write this 10 and 50 here, 10 meter and 50. So for 10 you have divided, you got 3 here. So you are writing 3 meter, and this 50 you have divided because with this one and taking this y you are getting 150. So this 50 centimeter. So you write 3 meter and 50 centimeter. See the next one, you try these, it's given in your book. Divide. Now what is the first sum they have given is 7 meter 11 centimeter divided by 3. See, now what you have to do is, you have to convert this also into centimeter. Only then you can do it. Because you cannot meter, centimeter. So this one, converting meter into centimeter, how will you do it? Meter is equal to what? 100 centimeter. Am I right? So now 711. So 700 plus 11 is equal to 711. So this 711 you have to divide by 3. Is it clear? Don't get confused. Now what you have to do it here is 7 meter, 11 centimeter. So this meter you have to convert into centimeter. So when you're converting meter into centimeter, already I told you, when you how will you convert meter into centimeter? 100 centimeter. So 7 into 100, 700 plus 11, 711. So this you have to divide with 3. Now what is 3 2s are 6, 1, 1. So 3 3s are 9, then again 2, 1. So you get 7, 21. Am I right? So now what is the answer? It is 237 centimeter. So this is the answer. Is it clear now? 237 centimeter. Now next question, now next one is your 15 meter and 60 centimeter. You have to divide with 4. You have to divide with 4. Now how will you convert again meter into centimeter? I told you 100. So you'll have 1500 plus 60. So you'll have 1560 divided by 4. So when you divide with 4, what is the answer? 1560 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Now you will get 360. So what is that? 4 9s are 36. This 0 again you can put it here. 9 says 0. So what is the answer? 390 centimeter. Is it clear now? How did you do your second sum? 15 meter and 60 centimeter you have to do. Now next sum, it is 4 kilometer. It is 4 kilometer and 550 meter divided by 5. Now what is it? 4 kilometer and 550 meter. Now how will you convert kilometer into meter? You have to multiply with 1000. So you'll have 4000 plus 550. So you'll have 4550 divided by 5. Am I right? 4550 divided by 5. So you have to divide 4550 divided by 5. 4 9s are 45. Then 50 you'll have 9. So 50. So the answer is what? Answer is 910. 910, what will you write? Meter, because you are converting this kilometer into meter. So when you convert kilometer into meter, you are multiplying with 1000. So 4550 divided by 5. The answer is 910 meter. Now next sum, what is your next sum given in your book? Can anyone tell me what is the next sum? You try these. What is the next sum given? 27 meter and 48 centimeter. What is it? 27 meter and 48 centimeter divided with what? Divided with 6. You have to divide with 6. Now how will you do it? You have to convert meter into centimeter. So you will have 27 into 100 plus 48. So you will have 2748. Is it clear? 2700 plus 48, you will have 2748 divided by 6. So you have to divide it. 2748 divided by 6. 6 4s are 24. Now you will have, what is it? 3 4. 3 4 means 6 5s are 30. Very good. 4 8. Here you will write 6 8s are 48. So what is the answer here? It is 458. It is 458. What is it? 458 centimeter, because you are converting this meter into centimeter. So it is 458 centimeter. What is the next sum? It is 10 kilometer and 48 meter divided by 8. Divided by 8. Now what will you write? Do it here. How will you convert kilometer into meter? Again 10 into 1000 plus 48. Now you will have 10,000 plus 48 is what? 10,048. You have to divide with 8. 8 1s are 8. 20. You will have, what is it? 8 2s are 16. Now you will have 4 4. Now what is it? 8 5s are 40. Now you will have remaining 4 8. 8 6 are, am I right? 8 6 are 48. So the answer is 1256 meter. Yeah, 1256 meter. So this is how you have to do your division sum given in your book. You try this. That is, when they have given meter and centimeter, you have to convert into centimeter. So when they have given kilometer and meter, you have to convert into meter. So you will convert. Last, whatever the final thing. Here again, same here. Meter and centimeter, you will convert it to centimeter. So first you have to convert and then you have to divide with the number. So this is how you have to do your division. Now next one, we will go on with your statement sums in your division. I think, are you clear with this? Normal sums, normal division sums. The next one is your division sums in your, what is it? Your book, it's given in your book. See, if the total length of 8 tracks, there are tracks, I think you go for running. If the total length of 8 tracks of equal length is 16 kilometer and 32 meter, what is the length of one track? So what is the statement sums they have given? First one, what they have given? If the total length of 8 tracks. So immediately you have to put length of 8 tracks. Immediately you have to put length of 8 tracks. Now on the top, what you have to do? Kilometer and, what is it? Kilometer and meter. Am I right or not? Kilometer and meter. What is the kilometer there? 16 kilometer. Here it is 32 meter. Now what is the second line? What is it given? What is the length of one track? So they have asked you to find out length of one track. Length of one track. So 8 they have given. Now you have to find for 1. So now what will you do? You have to divide with this 8. So 16, 32 divided by 8. Because one track you have to find means with this you have to divide by 8. Now how will you do it? 16, 32 divided by 8. 8 2s are 16. Am I right? Now what is 32? 8 4s are 32. So what will be the answer here? What will be the answer? You have to write 2 kilometer because here it is kilometer and here it is meter. So you will write 2 kilometer and 4 meter. So what is the answer you will write? The length, therefore, the length of one track is what? 2 kilometer and 4 meter. Is it clear now? One statement sums are clear now? Now next statement sum. If the total length of 12 bedsheet, so they are given 12 bedsheet, 25 meter and 45 centimeter. What is the next sum they are given is the total length of 12 bedsheet. So you immediately have to write total length of bedsheet. Total length of bedsheet. So what is it given? In millimeter and centimeter. Am I right? Sorry, a meter and centimeter. What is the meter there? It is 25. Am I right? It is 25 and 44 centimeter. Now, what is the length of one bedsheet? So immediately again here you have to write total length of one bedsheet. Here total length of 12 bedsheet here. I'm sorry, it is 12 here and here it is one bedsheet. Now what you have to do? 25, 44 divided by 12. You have to divide by 12 because for one bedsheet if you want to find it, you have to divide by 12. Now what will you do? 25 here and 44 here. It is meter and centimeter. So 12. 12 2s are 24. Then here 1 4. 144 means how many times it will go? I think this will go 12 times. One time it will go here. Again 2 4. This will go 2 times. So now what is the answer you will write? It is 2 meter and 12 centimeter. So it is, now therefore, total length of one bedsheet is 2 meter and 12 centimeter. So this is how you have to do the length, total length of the length of not, it is not total, the length of one bedsheet. We are not asked for total. The length of one bedsheet is 2 meter and 12 centimeter. So this is how you have to do your statement problems, your normal problems of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. See, the first sum, what is given in your book is practice time. Mother bought 2 saris and the length of one sari was 6 meter and 50 centimeter and the other was 5 meter and 50 centimeter. What is the total length of both saris? So now what you have to do immediately, first one, your statement sum. What is the question? What is the sum they have given? She bought 2 saris, length of one sari. What is the length of one sari? Length of one sari. Now what you have to do? Meter and centimeter. Immediately you have to write meter and centimeter. So what is the first sari? It is 6 meter and 50 centimeter. Now what is the length of second sari? Length of the second sari. What is the length of the second sari? It is 5 meter and 50 centimeter. Now, what is the question they have asked? What is the total length of both the saris? So, immediately you have to put plus here. So, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. So, what is the answer you have to write? What is the answer? Therefore, total length of the saris is 12 meter. It is the total length of sari is 12 meter. Now next question. What is the next question they have asked? Mr. Naveen Kumar walked the distance of 200 meter 50 centimeter. So he walked the distance of 200 meter and 50 centimeter to reach the bank from his house. He returned back to his house. What distance did he walk together? So what is the second sum you have to do? The second one. What did Naveen do? He walked the distance of 200 meter and 50 centimeter. So you have to write distance walked. From where to where? From his house. He walked from house to bank. From house to bank. Distance walked from house to bank. It is how many meter and centimeter? It is 200 meter and 50 centimeter. 200 meter and 50 centimeter. Now, the distance walked from bank to house. Now, bank to house. First line was house to bank. Next is bank to house. Now, how much did he cover? It is again 250 centimeter. Now, what is the question they have asked? He returned back to his house. What distance did he walk together? So, same distance only. From house to bank he went. Again from bank to house, the same. So, now what you have to do? What is the question they asked? What is the distance did he walk together all together? So, immediately it is plus. So, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10. Now, 1 here, 0 plus 0, 0, 4. So, what is the answer you will write? 401 meter. You have to write, therefore, he covered the distance of 400 meter, because centimeter is not there, it is 401 meter. Now next, the third sum. What is the third sum given in your book? Third sum. If the length of two roads are 25 kilometer, if the length of two roads are 25 kilometer and 500 meter and 30 kilometer and 400 meter. So, one road is 25 kilometer and 500 meter. The other road is 30 kilometer and 400 meter. Now, what is the question? What is the length of both road? Again here, what you have tried? Length of one road. Length of one road. What is the length of one road? Now, what you have to do on the top? What you have to do? Kilometer and meter. So, what is the kilometer covered? He has covered the length. It is 25 and 500. And what is the length of second road? The length of the second road. What is the length of the second road? He has covered 30 kilometer and 400 meter. Now what you have to do? What is the thing you have to do? Whether it is plus or minus. They have asked what is the total length of both the roads. So now immediately you have to put total means you have to plus. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 0 is 5 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So it is 55 kilometer and 900 meter. So the total length of two roads, therefore total length is 55 kilometer and 900 meter. It is 55 kilometer and 900 meter. Now next sum, what is the fourth sum they have given? A rope is, fourth sum, what is the fourth sum? A rope is 27 meter 40 centimeter long. So what is the rope here? 27 meter and 47 centimeter long. If 20 meter and 30 centimeter is cut off, I think I taught you in the subtraction, the ribbon, the mother with the ribbon cutting. So if one rope is 27 meter and 40 centimeter long, in that 20 meter and 30 centimeter is cut, what is the question they have asked? What is the length of the rope left? So immediately what will you write here? Length of the rope. What is the length of the rope there? What is it given? Length of rope is how much? It is 27 meter and 40 centimeter. Now what is the next line they have given? 20 meter and 30 centimeter is cut. So immediately you have to write length cut off, length cut off, or you can write length of rope cut off. How much? How much is cut here? It is 20 and 30. 20 and 30. Now what is the question they have asked? What is the length of the rope left? So immediately you have to minus left. Left means remaining. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1, 7 minus 0 is 7, 2 minus 2 is 0. So you will write 7 meter and 10 centimeter. So what you have to write? The length, the remaining length of the rope. The remaining length of the rope is 7 meter and 10 centimeter. 7 meter and 10 centimeter. Now next sum, fifth sum. John is 1 meter 60 centimeter tall. James is 1 meter and 40 centimeter tall. So one person, what do you have to write? You have to write first one, what is it? James. Sorry, first one is what? John. So John's height, you have to write John's height. Because only height you are talking about here in this question. So John height. What is the John's height here? It is 1 meter and 60 centimeter. And the other person is James. James height. What is the James height here? James height is 1 meter and 40 centimeter. Now what is the question they have given here? They have asked, but how much is John taller than James? So here they are comparing. So when you are comparing, you have to minus. So what is it? 0 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 4 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the thing, question they have asked? But how much taller? John is taller. So immediately you have to write John is 20 centimeter taller than whom? Taller than James. So this is how you have to do your statement sums. The next sixth sum. Yeah, what is the sixth sum given in your book? Sixth sum is a fishing boat covered 7 kilometer and 400 meter. A motor boat covered 30 kilometer and 500 meter. What is the distance covered by the two boats? What is the difference between the distance covered by the two boats? So now what is the question? What is the thing? Sixth sum. The distance covered by, what is the first thing? Covered by motor boat. Distance covered by motor boat. What is the distance covered by motor boat? It is 7 kilometer and 400. Now what is the second one? A fishing boat covered 7 kilometer and 400. So I think the motor boat is little bigger. So you can write immediately the motor boat, it has covered 30 kilometers, 30 meters and 500 centimeters. 30 meter and 500 centimeter. 500 meter. I'm sorry, it is 500 meter, kilometer and 500 meter. Now, what is the next question? What is the next thing they have given? Fishing boat. Fishing boat, the distance covered by fishing boat. What is the distance covered by fishing boat? It is 7 kilometer and 400 meter. It is 7 kilometer and 400 meter. Now what is the question they've asked? What is the difference between the distance covered by the two boats? So difference. So immediately you have to minus it. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. And this will become 10 and this will become 2. You are borrowing. 10 minus 7 is 3. It is 23. So what is the answer you will write? This difference is, therefore the difference is 23 kilometers and 100 meters. It is 23 kilometer and 100 meters. Now next, seventh sum. What is the seventh sum they have given? Somnath jogged 8 times around the park. Now what did he do, Somnath? He jogged 8 times around the park, that are 500 meter and 10 centimeter long path. So what was the total distance jogged by him? So what is the question is, Somnath, what did he do? What is the seventh question? Somnath, he jogged 8 times around the park. So what you have to do? Length. Because length, what is the length of the park here? What is the length of the park here? It is 500 meter and 10 centimeter. 500 meter and 10 centimeter. Am I right? 500 and 10 centimeter. Now, what is the next line they have given? He jogged 8 times around the park. So it means the number of times he jogged. So number of times he jogged. Who jogged? It is Somnath. Number of times he jogged was 8. Now, what is the question they have asked? Now, just read once again. Somnath jogged 8 times around the park, that are 500 meter and 10 centimeter long path. So, what was the total distance jogged by him? So, 8 times when we jog, you have to find out the total distance. So, immediately you have to multiply, because 8 times he jogged for 500 into 500 meter and 10 centimeter. So, you have to multiply. 0 8s are 0, 1 8s are 8, 0 8s are 0, 0 8s are 0, 5 8s are 40. So, now what will you write here? He has covered 400 and meter 4. He covered. Now, what is the question they have asked? How much distance he has covered? So, you have to write 4,000 meter and 80 centimeter. So, he has covered 4,000 centimeter and 4,000 meter and 80 centimeter. So, that is a question. So, what is the question? Lastly, they have asked, what was the total distance jogged by him? So, he has jogged, or you can write covered, or you can write jogged, anything, jogged or covered. So, he jogged or covered 4,000 meter and 80 centimeter. Is it clear now? Seventh sum. Now, eighth sum. What is the eighth sum? Can anyone read out? Now, what is the eighth sum? The length of one measuring tape used by a tailor is 1 meter and 50 centimeter. So, what is the question is, the length of one measuring tape is used by a tailor is 1 meter. So, now what is the eighth sum here? The length of one tape. The length of one tape is how much? 1 meter and 50 centimeter. I think you can write here meter and centimeter. 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Now, what is the next one they have given? What will be the length of 10 such tapes? So, immediately, now what you have to write? Length of 10 tapes. So, now what you have to do? For one tape, they have given 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Now, you have to find for 10. So, immediately you have to multiply with 10. So, what is it? 0, 0, 0. Then this 0, 5 and 1. So 1500. So it is 15. So what will be the answer here? So it has come 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter, or you can, sorry, 1500 centimeter, or you can convert into 15 meter. So this is the answer. So the length of 10 tapes, the length of 10 tapes is, the length of 10 tapes, you can write 15 meter or you can write 1500 centimeter. Therefore, now what is the ninth sum they are given? Ninth sum is, the length of a sports stadium is 1500 meter. If a sportsman, excuse me, if a sportsman runs twice around it. So what is it? The length of a sports stadium is 1500 meter. And if a sportsman runs twice around it, he is rounding twice, 2 times is rounding. So what is the total distance covered? So again same here, it is multiplication. So what is the length of sports stadium here? Length of the stadium. Length of the stadium is how much? How much? It is 1500 meter. Now how many times he has covered? He has gone, he is running for twice. So you have to write number of times. Number of times he ran is 2. So immediately you have to multiply. So now what is it? 30, 5 2s are 10, 1, 3. So what is the answer you will write? He has covered the total distance he has covered. Therefore, he has covered 3000 meter. Because the length of the stadium is 1500 and he has gone for 2 times. So 1500 into 1500, it is 3000 meter. So therefore he has covered 3000 meter. Now next sum, your 10th sum. A roll of wire is 8 meter and 90 centimeter long. Now what is the 10th sum is? A roll of wire. So what is the 10th sum they have given us? A roll of wire is 8 meter and 90 centimeter long. If one is cut off into 9 pieces, so what they have given us? One roll of wire is there, 8 meter and 90 centimeter. So what is the 10th sum is? The length of the wire. What is the length of the wire? It is 8 meter and 90 centimeter. Am I right? 8 meter and 90 centimeter. Now what is the number of pieces is cutting it into? What is the number of pieces? Number of pieces is cutting into 9. He is dividing into, cutting it into 9 pieces. So what will be the length of each piece? So if one piece is what? One length of the wire is 8 meter 90 centimeter and is cutting into one number of 9 pieces. So now what you have to do? You have to find out for length of one piece. So you have to find out length of one piece. Now how will you do it? It is 890, that is 890 divided by 9. See, but here now what happens here is you are converting into centimeter. So how will you convert this? Already I told you in your division sum, statement sum. This meter, how will you convert meter into centimeter? 8 into 100 plus 90. 8 into 100 plus 90. So you will have 890 centimeter. So length of the wire one piece is 890 centimeter. So now what you have to do? This 890 you have to divide by 890 you have to divide by 9. Am I right? Are you clear now? See, length of one wire is 8 meter and 90 centimeter. But what you have to do, you have to convert this into centimeter. You can't write meter and centimeter. Finally, you are converting into centimeter. So how will you convert into centimeter? 8 into 100 plus this 90. So 890 centimeter divided by this 9. So what is the answer you will get? 890. So 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81 and 9 7s are 9 8s are again 9 7s 9 8s are 72. Again it goes on. So what you can do? Just straight away you can write it is 98 centimeter. meter. So one piece it comes to 98 centimeter because it goes on, it 98.8, 98.8, 98.8 it goes. So directly you can straight away you can write 98 centimeter. Is it clear now? So 98.88 it goes. So round you can just round off and you can write 98. Length of one piece is 98. Therefore, length of one piece is 98 centimeter. Is it clear? Means you have to convert into centimeter and then you have to do your division. I think I told you in your division sums. Then the last sum. See your next sum. John runs along the boundary of ground covering 7 meter and 42 centimeter in a week. So now what he did, John, in a ground, he was covering 7 meter. So what is the distance covered? I think it's 11th question. The distance covered by John. What is the distance covered by John? It is 7 meter and 42 centimeter. It is 7 meter and 42 centimeter. Now what is the question they have asked? What is the distance he ran in one day? So that means one day means now what you have to do? In one day how much is covered? So in one day you have to divide it. The distance covered in one day. Covered in one day. So now what you have to do? 7 meter 742 divided by 7. 742 divided by 7. Because now listen, see, he ran it into one day. The distance covered by John, what is the question they have given? John runs along the boundary of ground covering 7 meter and 42 centimeter in a week. So week means 7 days. So week means 6 days. Now what you have to do is you have to divide it with 7. So 7 ones are 7 and 42 it is 6 times. See here in the sum, distance covered by John, it is 7 meter and 42 centimeter. Now what is the question they have asked is what is the distance is covered in one day? So now what you have to do, this you are converting into centimeter. So you have to write 7 into 100 plus 42. So you will write 742. So when you write 742 you get 16 the answer. So you will write 1 meter and 6 centimeter he has covered. So the distance covered or distance he ran in one day. Therefore he ran in one day is 1 meter and 6 centimeter. So this is how you have to do your practice time sums. Now next one is your activity given in your book. See, take a Tamil Nadu map which contains all details related to distance. Now what you have to do? You take one Tamil Nadu map, you just write all the details and you write the distance. You mark the names of 2 cities. Using the map, write the distance between the cities. Now suppose you take Madras and Delhi. You write the distance between the 2 cities. So like this you start writing the distance between the 5 important cities in your notebook. So that's your first activity given. Now second activity what is there given is there relationship between one's height and weight. Now what you have to do is you just start collecting the information with the help of your teachers and your parents. You start recording in your notebook. You just take one person's height and his weight, one person height and weight. You start collecting and you just find out the relation between the one's height and weight. Now next activity, measure the length and breadth of your rooms. Your house, you'll have your rooms. So what you have to do, you have to measure the length and the breadth using meter scale and write it in your notebook. See, this is and all a small activity which you can do it at your home. And the last one, see, I think you children, you'll have a shirt or a skirt or whatever it is. Now you have to write the measurement needed to stitch a shirt for you, your father and your brother separately in your notebook. So all these things if you find out, you'll find your length, meter, centimeter and all. So I think you have understood the length lesson, I think my children.